Hello, everyone. I'm Mo, and I've lost over 140 pounds in just under 6 months. And I did it by using the right ingredients. And so have hundreds of our clients at the Weight Loss Paradise. They've done the same thing. So I know you can as well. Now, does it ever feel like no matter what you do, the scale just won't budge for you after the age of 30? And you guys, I want you to know you're not alone. And we're going to be here to explain the science on why this occurs. And if you've ever wondered, is it even possible to lose weight without turning your life upside down? I really want you to watch this video and drop a yes in the comments if this sounds like something you've dealt with. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you do not miss these science-backed weight loss tips that we're using every day with real customers. So let's break down why losing weight after the age of 30 feels so tough and how you can finally make real, lasting progress without extreme exercise and depriving yourself of the things that you do love. Now, the first thing is your metabolic slowdown. By your 30s to 40s, your metabolism naturally burns about 150 to 200 fewer calories a day than it did in your 20s. And that's all thanks to muscle loss, hormonal changes, and a busier lifestyle. And this was done by the Mayo Clinic. Another thing is your muscle loss. So you're going to actually start losing muscle around 30 if you're not exercising it, which will make your body burn fewer calories at rest. And that's why eating less and moving more is just not enough as we get older. It's about eating the right ingredients and moving the correct pace so your body is still burning. Now, another thing that is not in your control, but it's your hormonal changes, especially for women. Dropping estrogen, especially near your menopause age, will slow down your metabolism and it will guarantee increase your belly fat. Now, for men, testosterone starts declining, which makes it even harder to hold on to real muscle and then keep the fat off. And this was done by the Cleveland Clinic. Now, the fourth thing that's a really big impactful thing, and that's just life, we can't change it, is real life stress. Now, as you get older, you're going to have work, family, and then you're going to have a lot of nonstop responsibilities. So it is really hard to find time for yourself, let alone for these intense workouts that people say is the only way to lose weight. And remember, stress raises your cortisol, and then sleep deprivation ramps up your cravings, and until ramps up your belly fat. This was all done by Harvard Health. So just understand it happens to everybody. Please don't feel bad. Okay. Now, here's the secret. You don't need a brutal gym routine or these crash diet. What actually works, and this is all backed by science, and I've seen it work with hundreds of clients because we're still doing our retreats and we're still doing our home coaching. So what does work? First thing is strength training. And it's not a lot of strength training. A little goes a long way. Just 2 days a week using weights or even your body weight can build and preserve your metabolism boosting muscle. And there's no hardcore gym sessions required. Another thing is you can use protein, right? High protein meals are going to help you hold on to your muscle and feel full, making your weight loss easier and more enjoyable. Another thing is daily movement. And I'm not talking about running for 2 hours a day, sweating your balls off. I'm talking about just getting some daily small actions like walking, stretching, or even fidgeting. They do add up fast, and they're going to be burning more calories than you actually think. Also, you're going to want better sleep with less stress. So good rest and stress management is just going to be as important as your nutrition, and your body will thank you over time. And lastly, you're going to want to make smart, sustainable nutrition decisions. So you want to ditch these crash crazy diets and instead focus on gradual calorie reduction, fiber-rich food, and healthy fats that are going to keep you satisfied and energized. And we do have a full-blown free recipe book that we use with all of our weight loss clients. So please use that to your advantage. It's completely free. You can buy those ingredients and make the things you like, and you can mix and match them. Just make sure you count your macros. Now, one way that we do it is we do it with our luxury experience, no exercise reassurance required. Now, imagine reaching your healthiest weight, but in a private ocean view mansion in the Caribbean islands. We don't require extreme workouts. We do not have you deprivate yourself from the foods you love because you'll have a cook to make you the food you need using the right ingredients. And we make gourmet meals. There's stunning surroundings. And most importantly, you're going to have a one-on-one coach at your Weight Loss Paradise retreat. We do believe that weight loss should feel like a luxury and not a damn punishment because that's all I've ever learned as a kid. So we're here to change that. Now, key takeaways I want you to take from this video, right? Now, why settle for stress, starvation, and endless workouts when you can literally just lose weight eating delicious food, sunshine, and total relaxation? So I would say, isn't it time for your weight loss journey to feel like a vacation? If that is the case, tap like if you're ready to transform your body without misery, and drop your age below if you want the science backed path that actually works. And don't forget to follow so you can see more videos like this. What you can also do is we've got our free giveaway going on. If money's a bit of an issue, we are still able to give one free customer a free coaching a month and one free customer a retreat per retreat session. So you guys, the last retreat, person lost like 32 pounds, best person did, which was insane. And I think our lowest weight loss was like 24 pounds, but it changed their life. And now they're moving forward and continuing on this journey. And if you want guaranteed weight loss, total relaxation, and an ultimate luxury experience, click the link below. Check out our website. You can even fill out to enter for the giveaway. It is free. You can enter once a month, and we do the drawing once a month, and we'll send you an email letting you know. You guys, we guarantee a loss of 5 to 10 pounds in under 2 weeks, or even 20 pounds in under 30 days. We don't do it with extreme exercise. We don't do it with starvation. It's just simple science-backed results. And on top of that, you've got paradise waiting for you. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss videos like this, and we'll see you guys on your weight loss.